Alrighty guys, welcome back to Smart Money Academy. This is the day one candles and graphs, and this is the basics of all basics. If you guys do not understand this, uh, well, we just can't proceed with the rest, right? And after watching this video, I told you guys I was gonna keep them all short, so you guys have time to watch the video. It's short, it's precise, and you guys can go on with your day. But I do need you guys to make sure you understand these concepts, go in your own charts, and figure it out yourselves, right? Because it's simply too important to overlook. Alright, so it's important to start by saying that every chart that you're going to look at is going to be made of these candlesticks that they're called, and some people use line chart, some people use Heiken Ashi. A lot of these fake gurus are going to tell you switch to Heiken Ashi, use these and these and this indicator, and do this and sell when it goes right. And do not do that. That's some bullshit if I've ever heard some. So go to candles here, bang. Should look like this. Yours are going to be probably red and green. I just don't like the red and green candles because those are very emotional colors, right? You want to get in this, long, but it's all red candles that are printing. Oh, green candle comes in, I'm going in. Get stopped out, right? Whatever. I think I like the white and black. Makes it look more neutral. It's more, it's easier for me to think. That's all it is. I would advise every single beginner to do this, by the way. This is just the best way to keep emotions in check in the beginning when you first start. So let's start with what are candles. So let's take these candles here, right? These specifically, I'm going to be looking at, let's say, I don't know, these candles here in the square, and I just drew it, right? So this candle, the black one, is bearish candle, okay? Which means that it opened here. A bearish candle is an OHLC, which is open high, low close. So it opens here and it closes here, right? But the information that the candle provides us are in the wicks. So this candle probably went up here. So on the lower time frames, you probably have a candle here, a candle here, a candle here, right? So this candle opened here, went up, went down, and then closed here. And then this one opened here, right? And then probably went down, went back up, and then it closed here, right? So you get all this information in one candle. This candle opened here, did not go down at all, straight up and closed here. And this candle, same thing, barely went down, up, closed here, right? So it's important to understand how candles work because a lot of our concepts are going to be based around how candles work. So make sure you guys go in your charts and understand that this candle here opened here, this one, this, it did that. Now I'm gonna write something on the chart on my chart here, and I want you guys to remember this. Wicks do damage. Bodies tell story. Okay? What this means is, okay? Let me take an example here. Let's say here, right? This is a massive wick, this one here. Right? This wick was meant for people that went long on this candle. Let's say they decided to go long, targeted, I don't know, this high here, right? Screw it, right? Market goes up, goes back down. This wick stops everybody out, does the most amount of damage possible, but the body closed bullish over here. Are we bearish? No. Okay, so again, wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. We're going to apply this in the future in the later videos, so make sure you guys understand that too. This right here that I have going on here on my two charts is the 1 hour time frame, okay, which means that every single one of these candles is 1 hour, and that this way is price, so this way is time, this way is price. So this is right now, every single candle is 1 hour. If I go down to, let's say, the 5-minute, every single one of these candles here is 5 minutes. So let's say from here to here on the 5-minute, I have 12 candles, right? Yeah, 12 candles all within this. But if I go on the 1 hour, it's just gonna be one candle. I don't know where it is. It's right here. It's just this one candle here, right? So that's also very important. Markets are fractal. So this is advanced stuff already. It's gonna be way in the future, but markets are fractals. It's important to understand how every time frame works. If you guys want to see candles printing in real time, go down to the 1 minute and watch them print, right? So this new candle opened here, goes high, goes lower, dilly dallies around, whatever. Fast forward through, it's probably gonna end up somewhere, and then you're gonna see where it opened here, went up higher, probably gonna go down lower now, simply because we were so bearish, right? It could go up higher. I don't think it does. I think it closes like this, right, with the wick up. On that note, guys, the next lesson is going to be more towards the trading psychology, which is, do you want it enough? There's going to be no gambling here on this channel. Strictly information. How do we put the best probability for us? And yeah, it's pretty much going to be it. Next episode, do you want it enough? Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notification. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Discord, all that good stuff. All the links are in the description. And yeah, thank you very much, and have a great day.